How you doing, everybody? My name is Artie, and this is Charlie McHugh on our packaging side, and this is cool custom videos for the week. And sorry I haven't seen you for a few weeks, but we've been really busy here at the office with a lot of new construction and various things. So finally getting back to making our cool custom videos, and this was a really fun project. I have a client that I've been working with for probably the last 15 years. His name is Johnny Castle. And Johnny went to go work for a new cosmetic or a skincare, right? When you say skincare?
Yeah,
skincare company, and they're called Nurse Jamie, and she has a wonderful line of all this very high-end kind of skincare products. And so Johnny came to us and said, you know, the initial designs were all going to be cylinders, but if you look at a lot of this kind of packaging product, and Charlie was integral in all this, it works off of like a hexagon. So we completely revamped all of the design work to not be the typical cylinders like you see at a lot of cosmetic stores, and did this whole kind of a right from scratch hexagon program. And it's got 22 different products, different jars. Some are men. The black one over here is all with the men's line. The white is all with the ladies line. And I'll let Charlie explain a little bit about the challenges and the fun. I will say this, just to let you know, so it's still staying in line with a lot of our products. It's a 24-point cardstock, and we did suede AQ, that nice rubbery, beautiful suede kind of feel with some foil stamping and spot UV. And Charlie, tell me a little bit about working with Johnny and Jamie in the Nurse Jamie line.
This was a fun one. It was good. We love projects just like this because what happens is everybody gets an opportunity to think outside the box, and at the end of the project everybody gets a chance to grow. And what we got to do here is the product logo had a bunch of hexagons, and they said, well, instead of a bunch of boring tubes, how about you give us something kind of cool, and we can do a logo that looks like a box that looks like a logo. So we started with the hexagon structure, which has its share of challenges because they don't fold up quite as well as the square one.
Totally.
And you got to figure out a way to dream it up, and then once you dream it up, you got to figure out a way to make it. And then once you get to the end of it, you really got something special, and that's the way this worked out. This box has got a lot going on. We had 22 structures, actually 7 structures, 22 different products, 22 different brands.
Right.
And came across the men's line, the women's line, and everybody's differentiated by both color, the names, the foil. We've got holographic foil on these things, which shines a couple of different colors. If you
got like embossing here. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Where we actually creased in and showed the whole hexagon
actually
logo.
Debossing.
Debossing, that's right. Debossing. And this gives you an idea.
Yeah.
So this is what the box looks like this way, but you remember now, this isn't like a square. This isn't like a circle. You've got to do all the different kinds of scores and die cuts to make this into this and tie into their whole theme. It's sort of cool too, because when everything's all together, all their boxes together make another hexagon. So it was a real fun project. And whoops. So I will say this, that whenever you have a special customer or yourself and you want to make, I will say this, Charlie has just done such a fantastic job in our America's Packaging brand of really coming up with some just great new packages for our clients. So until next week, Nurse Jamie 22 product line. See you next week.
Bring us the challenge.
Thank you.